Well, good evening. I'm Julie Williams.
And I'm Mark Kiesling. Staff members at SIH Memorial Hospital of Carbondale were put to the test today during a simulated training event.
News 3's Madeline Parker was there as doctors and nurses worked to save their hypothetical patient. Now, we do want to let you know what you're about to see was a drill and no one was hurt.
I need something for the pain.
You do these simulations or drills such that it becomes, rote memory. You know what to do. You don't have to think. It just, you move right down the line.
It may have been all practice, but as soon as the mannequin was taken out of the ambulance and into the emergency room, it was all hands on deck.
We want to make sure that we can hone in on our critical skills that we do, and so in a safe learning environment that we can then talk about it afterwards and make sure that we have all the processes in place that we need to do.
The patient, a pregnant mother with a gunshot wound to the chest. SIH Memorial Hospital of Carbondale is a level 2 trauma center, and while these types of injuries are not presented often, it's important for teams to hone their skills.
This was a simulated gunshot wound, which is the most common injury during pregnancy, followed by car crashes and stab wounds. It's a high-risk situation. We don't deal with them a lot because 20% is the maximum that we see. It's as low as 5%. So we need to know how to take care of mom and baby when they arrive in the trauma center.
The drill was considered a success, but the purpose of the drill is not just being successful, but learning the best way to care for patients.
That's why we do these, and so then we can figure out those kinks into what needs to be fixed, and so then if a real trauma comes in, we can run it a lot smoother.
Because with any skill, practice makes perfect.
And we prepare on a daily basis for all types of trauma. We have a well-trained staff, and we're ready to take care of patients in Carbondale and beyond.
In Carbondale, Madeline Parker, News 3.
SIH Memorial Hospital of Carbondale says they'll start doing more drills now that COVID's winding down.
This is the second recent drill for staff, and the hospital is planning more in the future.